Hello everyone, I am Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the circle command in AutoCAD. There are 6 possible methods to draw a circle in AutoCAD. And the methods are center radius method, center diameter method, 2-point circle method, 3-point circle method, 10-10 radius method, and 10-10-10 method. Depending on the data given to you, you have to choose the right one among all the 6. So let's first talk about the center radius method. If you know the radius of the circle, then you have to use center radius method to draw the circle. Let's say you have to draw a circle of radius 3 mm. First choose circle command, go to draw toolbar, click on circle, and here choose circle radius, or press C and then enter. Here you have to specify the center point of the circle. You can use coordinates to specify the center. Or specify that center using the crosshair. After specifying the center, enter the radius. For example, the radius is here 3 mm. Press 3 and then enter. Let's check the dimension. Here you can see the radius is 3 mm. Let's talk about the next method, which is center diameter method. Let's say you have to draw a circle have a diameter of 6 mm. Then press C, enter, specify the center point, and press D, enter, and input the diameter, which is here, for example 6 mm. Press 6 and then enter. Let's check the dimension. Here you can see the diameter is 6 mm. Let's say you have two end points of the diameter of the circle. Then you have to use 2-point circle method to draw the circle. There is two parallel lines and you have to draw a circle in between them. First choose circle command, press C, then enter. Then for choosing 2P circle method, i.e. 2-point circle method, press 2P, then enter. Here you have to specify the first end point of the diameter, then specify the second end point of the diameter. Keep the ortho mode on, it helps. In this method, there is no need of checking any dimension. Now let's you have 3 circumferential point of a circle. Then you have to use 3-point circle method to draw a circle. Basically, this is a very useful method for drawing the outer circle of any polygon. You can see there is a polygon here. Let's draw the outer circle of this polygon. Choose circle command, press C, enter. For choosing 3-point circle method, press 3P, then enter. Here you have to specify the first circumferential point, then you have to specify the second point, and then the third point. Here you can see. Let's say you have to draw a circle in between two lines and the circle tangentially touches the lines. Then you have to draw the circle in tan radius method. To draw the circle in tan radius method, you must have two objects and the radius of the circle. Let's say you have to draw a circle of 2 mm radius and tangentially touches two objects. Then you have to use tan radius method to draw the circle. First choose circle command, press C, then enter. To choose tan radius method, press T and then enter. Here you have to specify the first tangent object and then the second object. Now you have to specify the radius. For example, here it is 2 mm, press 2 and then enter. Let's say you have to draw a circle tangentially touches three objects. Then you have to draw the circle in tan method. There is no shortcut for choosing tan method. Just go to draw toolbar, go to circle command and here choose tan method. Then you have to specify the first tangent point of the circle or first tangent object of the circle. Here choose this one and this one. This method is very useful to draw a circle inside a polygon. These are all the 6 methods you can use to draw a circle in AutoCAD. Basically, the 3-point method is used to draw the outer circle of any polygon, and the tan method is used to draw the inner circle of any polygon. So if you like my video, then share it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for another updates. Thank you.